One sunny afternoon, Mr. Robert, a philosophy teacher, was strolling with his students near a local farmer's market. With him were students like Ryan, Jake, Daniel, and a few others. As they walked, they noticed something that caught their attention: a man struggling to pull a cow by a rope. The man was doing his best to lead the cow home, but the cow wasn't budging. It stood there, motionless, and refused to move. This tug-of-war had clearly been going on for some time. Seeing an opportunity for a lesson, Mr. Robert approached the man. "Excuse me, could you hold on for just a moment?" he said politely. He then turned to his students and invited them to gather around. "Come, gather here. I want to show you something important." He pointed to the scene and asked his students, "Now, who do you think is truly tied to whom? Is the cow tied to the man, or is it the other way around? Who's really in control here?" Jake, quick to respond, said, "Sir, it's obvious. The man is holding the rope, so he's the one in charge. The cow is the servant, tied to him. Wherever he goes, the cow has to follow." Mr. Roberts smiled at Jake's answer. "That's a good observation," he said. "But now, let me show you something else." He reached into his bag, pulled out a pair of scissors, and cut the rope in one quick motion. The moment the rope was severed, the cow immediately bolted away, running as fast as it could. The man, now surprised, started chasing after the cow. Mr. Robert turned to his students and said, "Now, look closely. What's happening now? Who's tied to whom?" The students watched in silence as the man chased after the cow, who showed no interest in him whatsoever. The cow didn't care about the man at all. It just wanted to get away. "But look at the man," Mr. Robert continued. "He's the one running, desperately trying to catch the cow. In that moment, who's really tied to whom? The man is the one being controlled. He's the one chasing after the cow, not the other way around." The students began to realize the deeper message behind this simple scene. "Just like that cow," Mr. Robert explained, "we all carry negative thoughts in our minds, things like fear, anger, jealousy, or pride. These thoughts don't care about us. They don't have any real power over us. Yet, we hold on to them. We think we're in control of these emotions, but in reality, they control us." The students were quiet, reflecting on Mr. Roberts' words. The lesson was becoming clear. Mr. Roberts' voice softened as he continued. "We carry these negative thoughts around with us for years, letting them fill our minds with unnecessary baggage. And sometimes, we don't even realize how much they weigh us down. We're so used to them, so attached to them, that we can't imagine letting them go. But the moment we choose not to care about them, just like that cow running away, they lose their power over us." The students listened intently, their minds starting to open up to the lesson. "You see," Mr. Robert said, "in life, we often think that we own things, possessions, situations, even people, but we're mistaken. The truth is, the more we cling to something, the more it controls us. Just like that man with the rope, we can become servants to our own attachments." He glanced around at the group, making sure his point was sinking in. The more we depend on something, whether it's a material possession, a relationship, or even our own emotions, the more we give away our freedom, and the more we give up our peace. Because the more we rely on something or someone, the more that thing or person can control our thoughts, our actions, and our happiness. Mr. Robert smiled gently, "But there's a way out. True peace, true freedom, is a choice. You can choose to let go of the things that tie you down, whether it's a negative thought, a toxic relationship, or an unhealthy desire for control. And when you make that choice, you will find that your mind becomes clear, your heart becomes lighter, and life becomes much more peaceful." He took a deep breath, as if to emphasize the importance of the next words. "You don't need to hold on to those old, painful thoughts anymore. You don't need to stay tied to anything that doesn't serve you. And the moment you release them, you'll feel free. Because freedom comes not from control, but from letting go. The students stood in silence for a moment, letting the message sink in. Mr. Robert looked at them, his face filled with warmth. If you believe that someone else might benefit from this lesson, share it with them. Like this video, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to stay with us for more lessons on how to live with peace and clarity. He smiled once more. Remember, true freedom and peace are always within reach. It all starts with a simple choice to let go. With that, he led his students away, their minds filled with a new understanding, a quiet wisdom that would stay with them long after the day ended.